In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to activate a Capital One debit card online. Getting your card up and running is an essential step to accessing your funds and making purchases, and I'm here to make sure it's a breeze for you. To start, you'll need to sign in to your Capital One account. You can do this either by visiting their website on your computer or by using the Capital One Well app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's simple. Just text GET to 801101 and you'll receive a link to download it directly to your device. This app is handy for managing your finances on the go, so it's worth having. Once you're successfully logged into your account, the next step is to choose the account that's linked to your new debit card. This is typically the main account you use for your transactions. Selecting the right account ensures that you activate the correct card. Now, keep an eye out for the option to activate your card. This will usually be located near the debit card tracker on the app or website. The tracker is a useful tool that allows you to monitor your card's status and usage, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it. When you find the activation option, click on Activate My Card. This will prompt you to follow a series of steps to complete the process. One important step might involve setting a personal identification number, commonly referred to as a PIN. This number is crucial as it adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. Make sure to choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. Alternatively, if you prefer not to activate your card online, you have the option to do so by phone. Simply call the number found on the back of your debit card or dial 844-242-2388. This is a straightforward way to activate your card if you're more comfortable with a voice call. And there you have it. You've just learned how to activate your Capital One debit card online. Whether you choose to use the mobile app, website, or phone call, these steps ensure that your card is ready to use, giving you access to your funds whenever you need them. Thanks for watching and happy banking.